Hello everyone, it's 10 minutes to 3 on, is it Thursday the 2nd of July, 2026, it's right there, Thursday, I should have looked. Anyways, we're doing another game of Wordle. Have a look at me here, apologies, forgive me, my pair of glasses are out there, and there's a CCTV camera there, so I'm not risking it. Look, a foot. My foot. Anyways, let's get on with this game. Let's see here. Ooh, we got an A. Let's try this. This is so out of nowhere. No, not either. Not that either. Okay. Let's repeat a gray letter. Ooh, now we're talking. But it could be, the M could be here or here. Now we're talking, okay. M-A. Let's not put another R at the end because it's already gone and we only have 2 more tries. M-A. Oh boy. Me. No, it's not major. There's an E there. It's not major with an E. Oh my goodness. This is difficult. Yep. It's not maybe either, because the E letter is at the penultimate position. God, I didn't even know that's a word. That was huge. I cannot celebrate too much because it's so late at night, but oh my God. That was the biggest Hail Mary I have ever done. My goodness, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. That was amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Oh my God, bye-bye.